First and foremost, I would like to thank Department of Physics, CPSOR, Namche Government College and Sikkim University to provide me such a platform to make a video for partial fulfillment of BSc Honours on Physics at 6th semester, March to July 2021. My name is Roshan Kumar Rai and roll number 18NS0020, and this topic is carrying 25 marks instead of 25 practical examination or sessional B for our exam. My topic is Stern-Gerlach experiment. Let us start my topic. The Stern-Gerlach experiment was conceived by Otto Stern in 1921 and performed by him and Walter Gerlach in Frankfurt in 1922. At that time of the experiment, the most prevalent model for describing the atom was the Bohr model, which described electrons as going around the positively charged nucleus only in certain discrete atomic orbitals or energy levels. Since the electron has quantized to be only in certain positions in space, the separation into distinct orbits was referred to as space quantization. The Stern-Gerlach experiment was meant to test the Bohr-Sommerfeld hypothesis that the direction of the angular momentum of a silver atom is quantized, or we can say Otto Stern and Walter Gerlach demonstrated the space quantization of spin angular momentum of an electron. Let Ag ions are inside oven, electric oven. S1 and S2 be the two slits where silver ions are entered. Ns equals to P1, P2 equals to magnet with cross sections of pole pieces. P equals to glass detector plate or screen as shown in figure 1. And in the figure 2, it shows the vertical displacement of Ag ions by magnetic field. Silver is vaporized in the oven. A narrow beam of silver atom is allowed to pass through the inhomogeneous magnetic field Ns and is recorded on the plate or screen P. When the magnet is off, a thin straight line trace is obtained on screen P, and image is like this. When the magnetic field is on, the trace is divided into two lines is obtained on screen P, and image is like this. Now for the explanation part of Stern-Gerlach experiment. Silver has the atomic number Z equals to 47. The outermost electron is in 5s state and all the inner cells and subcells are closed. Therefore, this 5s electron alone is responsible for the magnetic moment of the atom. Let mu equals to magnetic moment of each Ag ions, V equals to some velocity or uniform velocity, Vz equals to non-homogeneous magnetic field acting on z-axis, um equals to potential energy of Ag ions, Fz equals to force acting on z direction. Now potential energy equals to minus mu dot Bz. Since A dot B equals to AB cos theta, equals to minus mu Bz cos theta. Equation 1. The magnetic force Fz acting only on z directions or axis. Therefore, del V by del X equals to 0 and del V by del Y equals to 0. Equation 2. And magnetic field having gradient only on z direction. Therefore, force equals to in bracket mu dot del dot B, or multiplying mu dot del we get mu x del by del M plus mu y del by del Y plus mu z del by del Z dot B. This is equation 3. Since magnetic field on x-axis and y-axis is 0, therefore force equals to mu z del by del Z dot B, using equation 2. Now Fz equals to mu del Vz by del Z cos theta. Equation 3a. If the mass of the atom is m, then moving through the magnetic field with the acceleration A equals to Fz by m. Equation 4. Since force equals to mass into acceleration, therefore A equals to F by m. From equation 3 and 4, we get acceleration equals to mu by m del Bz by del Z cos theta, or A equals to mu cos theta by m del Bz by del Z. Equation 5. From the equation of motion, S equals to ut plus half at square. Equation 6. We know that T equals to L by S, T equals to L by V. Equation 8. since d is equals to L and S equals to V. From equation 7 and 8 we get dz equals to 1 by 2 mu cos theta by m del Vz by del Z L by V whole square, or 1 by 2 mu cos theta by m del Vz by del Z L square by V square. Equation 9. The velocity of silver beam deflected along Z direction is V is equals to U plus AT, or Vz equals to 0 plus mu cos theta by m del Vz by del Z into L by V using equation 5 and 8, or Vz equals to mu cos theta by m del Vz by del Z L by V. Equation 10. The time taken by atomic dipole to cover the length capital L is therefore T dash equals to d by s or L by V. T dash equals to L by V. Equation 11. The vertical displacement capital D is given by d is equals to Vz into T dash. Equation 12, since d is equals to speed into time. From equation 10, 11 and 12 we get d is equals to mu cos theta by m del Vz by del Z L by V into capital L by V. Equation 13. Thus the total vertical displacement is y is equals to capital D plus dz. Equation 14. Substituting equation 9 and 13 in equation 14 we get y equals to mu cos theta by m del Vz by del Z L by V into capital L by V plus half mu cos theta by m del Vz by del Z L square by V square, or y equals to mu cos theta by m del Vz by del Z in bracket capital L plus L by 2 bracket close L by V square. Thus this experiment confirmed vector atom model.